is going on, my YouTube friends? I hope everybody is doing well. Yes, today is Sunday, Super Bowl Sunday. So, hey, if you like football, get out there and watch that game, man, and I hope your team wins because I don't care about football. I never really did. If it didn't have a motor on it or a motor in it or a girl, then I didn't care nothing about it. You know what I mean? Yeah, buddy. But anyhow, we're here in the garage today working on, yes, the 1980 Ford Fairmont. So I'm going to show you what we got going on. Not a whole lot, just trying to get things figured out on which way we're going to go. You know what I mean? So I started putting some stuff up underneath the dash, started hooking up the brake booster, the brake, emergency brake, the brake. We got a bunch of stuff going on. Let me turn this around here and see what's going on. Yeah, we got all this stuff we're put in here. Yeah, we still get all that. And I can't find my daggone heater box. I don't know what I did with it. I don't know if it was broke or something was wrong with it and I threw it away. I don't know what I did, but I can't find it. Maybe it's in my wife's she garage, or her car garage, or whatever you want to call it. So, but anyhow, we got most of the stuff getting right here laid down. I'm starting to put the brackets in and stuff for the steering column, the brake pedal. I got the emergency brake set up over there. Oh yeah. I got the firewall installation over there real good, and I got it over here too, but it's kind of like real flappy because I don't have stuff bolted to it to hold it down. So I'm going to put the original 6-cylinder brake booster on there. I know it's small, you know what I mean? But hey, it'll still work. I did them many times and I've never had a problem. You know what I mean? Oh yeah. So anyhow, let's go over here and look at the brake booster. It's pretty and clean and painted. Oh yes, it is. Look at that. Oh man. And like I said, I've used these before, never had a problem before. So say what you will, because I know somebody say, that's awful small. Well, yeah, you know, I mean, hey, if you're worried about small, don't worry about this, because this will be just fine. I've used these many times. You know what I mean? I had a 1980 Ford Mustang with the 4-cylinder in it, and I put a V8 in, 303 cam. Oh, yeah, some head work. And guess what? I used that exact same booster. Yes, I did. So we're going to get all this stuff hooked up. We're making everything look so pretty. Yes, we are. Oh, yeah. Listen to that door shut, man. Just like brand spanking new. Oh, yeah, baby. So I got, you know, I can get the steering column, get it hooked up. We'll get everything all hooked up and ready so we can set the car down and get this thing out from up in the air and onto the floor and all that good stuff. You know what I mean? Yeah. So, anywho. This is what we're doing. This is what I'm working on. I got to get the brake lines out of her garage. Ones that go across the top, which, it's going to kind of suck because I got to paint around that too. So, but we'll figure it out. We'll figure it out in due time. You know what I'm saying? Whoever paints the car, they'll know what to do. You know what I mean? Yeah, buddy. So, you know, I hope you guys are enjoying your football game. I hope whoever you want to win wins. I just never was interested in football or sports or nothing like that. I liked cars, motorcycles, go-karts, mini bikes, and women. Oh, yeah. So, giving you a little update what's going on. I haven't really touched the wiring harness yet. Still sitting in the same place I showed you last time. But this right here. And to be honest with you, this booster, somebody just replaced it because the thing... practically new, you know, so that's it. And the funny thing about it is I looked them up on Rock Auto, and it was the exact same for a V8, and it was the exact same booster. So, you know what I mean? Depends on how much engine vacuum we get, if how well this will work. You know what I mean, buddy? Oh, yeah. So, anywho, just giving you guys an update what's going on. Oh, yeah. And we're moving along. Just moving along. So, all right, guys. I'm going to let you go. Let me turn you around here so we can say goodbye. All right, everyone, I appreciate each and every for watching. I really do. You guys are awesome. And if anybody tells you any different, you tell them come see me and I'll tell them you're awesome. Guys, enjoy your game. Have a great rest of your night. And hey, I'll see you again.